Hey guys, here's the tutorial how to reset your error codes on your motorcycle. Mine is a 2022 GSX-S 1000. This also applies to GSX-R 1000s 2017 and above to the current year. I got the error code after I did the ECU flash and changed the exhaust system. I got the F1 code and I got the check engine light on that stayed on my dash. When I called the dealer to ask how much it's gonna cost to reset it, I was quoted $75 to $200 depending on how deep they need to get into the bike for it. Upon doing some research, I came up with a wire that's compatible to this motorcycle that connects to OBD2 scanner. Any conventional car OBD2 scanner will work with this cable, which you can plug into your motorcycle and erase the codes. This is it, any cheap OBD2 scanner, and this is the wire kit that works with it. All you gotta do is reach in there, grab your red plug, the 6-pin plug. You just need to connect it together like that, and then what you do is turn on your ignition. Don't start the bike, just turn the ignition on, and then you click on scan. Mine shows codes found 0, but if you do have a code, then you select that and click erase. It wipes all your codes out. Hope this helps somebody and saves you money.